pounds, wearing white trunks with red stripes. He has a record of 6 wins, 2 by knockout, and no loss, undefeated. From Malabon, Metro Manila, Manny Pacquiao. His opponent, featuring in the red corner, weighing 109 pounds, wearing red trunks, from Tondo, Manila, Lito Laroa. Judges, Vincent Rodriguez, Captain Paul Onico, Mariano Andalo. Referee, Rudy Dalisay. 8 rounds of professional boxing.
All right, we have Lito Laroa, the young boy in red, and Manny Pacquiao, the young boy in white, with some stars as pipings.
Romy, ito si Manny Pacquiao, originally from General Santos City. At saka si Lito Laroa, originally from Baybay, Leyte. This should be an interesting bout because ito si Manny Pacquiao has been a sensation in his young career. Gaya na ng binanggit ng ating kaibigan si Bobby Mondehari, he is undefeated 6-0 with 2 knockouts. Ito naman po si Lito Laroa, you might consider him a veteran. He turned pro 2 years ago, whereas ito si Manny Pacquiao turned pro only this year. Laroa just came back from Japan where he lost 1 points to Yasutaka Yamada. Yan po si Lito Laroa with 12 fights to his credit. Ito naman po si Manny Pacquiao, 6 fights lang. Panunurin po natin ito. Malalaman natin kung ipapakyaw ni Manny Pacquiao. Ito si Lito Laroa.
All right, this should be a great fight. And of course, everybody is talking about Manny Pacquiao. He's only 17 years old. And yes, he has the potential to be a great fighter. But he has to go through the mill first. Oops, that's a slippery portion. Dahil siyempre, batang 17 anyos pa lang siya. He's 17 years old. He has had 6 fights and 2 knockouts.
And Pacquiao, of course, coming from General Santos City, which is a hotbed and breeding ground of world-class professional fighters. That is the hometown of the former world super featherweight champion, Rolando Navarrete.
Bad boy from Dadiangas. Okay, 8-rounder po ito. And this is the first round, so they're still measuring each other. Probing round pa po. Kaliwete po, the young boy in white, that is Pacquiao. Pareho silang kaliwete.
Well, nagkakasindakan ngayon mga kaibigan, but Manny Pacquiao throwing a nice right jab. Again, Pacquiao trying to measure. Ito po si Lito Laroa. Very elusive target ito si Lito Laroa. He's not standing still. Laroa throwing also a nice nifty right jab.
Yes, and pareho silang hindi umaatras. Kaya maganda po ang salpukan natin mamaya mga in the next round or third round kung magkakasakitan na po, and they are going to have their hard exchanges.
No damaging blows so far, but we have seen Manny Pacquiao sneak in a few punches to the side of the body of Lito Laroa. Pero not too much action in this round so far.
Yes, Laroa also
getting impatient dito po sa Washington Sports Complex.
That's a good right by Laroa. Maganda itong fight na ito in the second or third round. Makakasakitan na ito and they're going to have magpapalitan na. Sa ngayon, medyo nagbabasahan pa sila.
Pacquiao with a 2.5-inch height advantage over Laroa. Again, going to the midsection.
Good shot to the side.
Yes, he is attacking the midsection of Lito Laroa, and we're talking of Manny Pacquiao, the undefeated youngster from General Santos City.
The young boy in white. What is so good about Pacquiao is he's so young and he's only 17. Malaking bagay sa kanya yan. He'll probably grow up to be a regular featherweight later on. Okay, this is the second round of our main event tonight. And we should have some more action this time.
Pacquiao still going to the midsection.
That's right, he's investing.
Whereas ito si Lito Laroa is starting to attack the head of Manny Pacquiao.
Ito, kumukombinasyon na si Pacquiao. Sa baba, sa taas. Ayan, sa baba, tapos pataas. Tignan natin kung anong reaction ni La Roa dito. Second round.
Romy, there's an air of suspense dito sa Washington Sports Complex.
Yes, everybody's expecting something to happen.
Well, the fans are anticipating a knockout victory here for Manny Pacquiao, considering that he is undefeated and is known to have a big punch. Ito si Lito La Roa, being the veteran, is not going to be a patsy for
course.
Manny Pacquiao. You can be sure of that.
He's going to time his punches also. And he also has power of his own.
Yes.
Kaya maganda ito.
La Roa has 2 knockouts in 4 victories. And La Roa that time connected with short punches to the head of Manny Pacquiao. La Roa missing with a right swing.
Well, as soon as Pacquiao, you watch out for the combination. As soon as Pacquiao finds the combination or the opening, dahil non-stop yan kung pumasok.
Pacquiao
Ring-wise.
a little careful about bringing down his guard. I think he respects the punching power
Yes.
of Lito La Roa.
Ring-wise also, kung kumilos ito si La Roa, talagang kilos veterano, marunong ng kumilos. Galing. Good fight.
Manny Pacquiao
there goes
teeing
Pacquiao.
off on Lito
And he
La
goes,
Roa. But La Roa turning the tables on Manny Pacquiao.
Yes. Well, actually, Pacquiao wasn't able to connect solidly there, although he had pinned La Roa for a while.
Magandang hand speed ni Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, yes, definitely.
Very quick combinations.
Ito, may mga pumapasok na. Baka nasaktan na si La Roa rito. May pumasok na dalawa kanina.
Manny Pacquiao is teeing off on Lito La Roa. La Roa is just covering up now in a shell. He's not
That's right.
fighting back too much. There you go.
He is
La Roa
countering.
now is coming back.
Yes, he's countering.
La
And
Roa that
Pacquiao
time
should
connected
not
with a left
stop.
hook.
There's Pacquiao again. And he should go non-stop now. That's his style. Yes, that's it. Giving a lot of punishment now to La Roa.
And La Roa is forced to hold on. Masyadong
fight,
sport
ha?
yung dalawang
Yeah.
boxer. They keep on touching gloves.
Maganda ito. Basta magsalpukan lang sila.
Right upper street leg hook out. Right hook
You know,
out.
it's very rare, Romy.
Makukuha na yan,
We
ha?
have an 8-rounder for a main event, a San Miguel Pier main event.
Right upper.
However, we are making this an exception because of the exceptional record of Manny Pacquiao.
That's right.
There is a lot of interest in this boy.
Okay, let's see. Tignan natin. Wala pa instruction so far. Ito na.
Yung kinakausap ni Max Porosuelo, si Manny
Slow mo
Pacquiao.
natin when La Roa was cornered. Walang solid na connection. Ito yung he was able to extricate himself eh.
Well, under attack ito si Lito La Roa.
Nakalabas siya. Siya namang sumuntok ng pagdating nila sa gitna. Anyway, lamang na lamang po si Pacquiao in that round. Let's see again.
Manny Pacquiao showing very good defense at this stage. Huh? Nice hand speed. But those blows of Pacquiao landing on the gloves
Not yet. No,
of
no
very
solid
defense
punch.
conscious Lito La Roa.
Marunong itong si La Roa. He's just taking the punches dito sa forearm niya.
Oo, at saka sa gloves
Sa elbow niya, sa gloves niya. Dahil kasi gusto rin niyang manghina itong si Pacquiao in the future, no? Masipag si Pacquiao.
Pero walang tumatama doon sa mga binitawan ni Pacquiao. He's not able to penetrate very good defense of Lito La Roa.
Saradong sarado.
Oo. He
Well,
should continue to go to the midsection, Romy,
That's right,
because that will bring down the guard of Lito La Roa.
in the latter minutes, yes, he should continue with his attack. Sige lang, kahit na ganon. Dahil kasi whether Laroa likes it or not, the punches later on will take effect, lalo na dito sa forearms din niya, no? Manghihina rin yan sa kadarating. Magandang laban ito, malinis pa. So we're going to have a clear winner here. Right now, of course, lamang na lamang si Pacquiao sa puntos, but we can never tell later on.
Pacquiao continuing to pepper. Ayun po, a nice combination from Pacquiao. Lito Laroa again covering up.
Non-stop fighting by the young boy. 17 years old. Talaga nag-practice ng husto ito. Walang
And
tigil.
Laroa is just covering up.
He
And
has
there you go.
tumatiming.
He wakes up.
He slipped. He slipped. O, yan ang magulang. Tignan mo si Laroa. Kagaya ni yung nangyari kanina, tatalikod-talikod. Hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
Medyo veterano din ito si Laroa. He has been a pro for 2 years.
I mean, that's
As
it.
compared to Pacquiao, who turned pro only early this year.
That's right. And that's it. Tumatiming nga si Laroa. Pinababayaan mo na niyang sumuntok para manghina itong batang to. He'll be spending a lot of effort sa missed, tsaka yung mga suntok na hindi naman pumapasok.
Well, remember, we are
Very wise.
for 8.
Yes, he's
Oo.
fighting wisely.
Ito si Laroa, tama
yes,
yun.
showing as a veteran, playing as a veteran. Although ito namang si playing as a young man.
Oo.
Talagang
Parang niroropa dope ni
Oo.
ni Laroa yung laro.
Okay, here's slow-mo action from the previous round of our San Miguel Beer main event. This 8-rounder.
And this was the slip.
That's right, between
And
Pacquiao
almost-
and Laroa.
Almost
inabutan.
oh.
No? Dahil kasi
Laroa was quick.
talaga naman ganun during fight time.
Oo.
Birahin mo ng birahin, hindi tatalikod-talikod. Nako, hindi pwede kay Laroa yun.
But of course, we
Okay,
asked the
moving.
question, when will Lito Laroa break out of that defensive shell?
But pinababayaan lang niya because he's waiting for the opening. At pumapasok naman siya pag may opening.
Pacquiao
May
now
kombinasyon
going to
din
the
siya
jab.
Oh. Pero tatalunin sa sipag to. Ibang bata kung maglaro
Laroa,
Laroa fighting wisely, but
Yes.
let's see. I mean, those are points, the way you see it.
but Pacquiao is moving around very deftly away from Lito Laroa using that nice right jab.
That is the way to fight him now. Now he's wisened up. Now he has learned from the first 2 rounds. Na ganito pala, then kombinasyon, ayan Then nasaktan na rin siya kanina sa mga kombinasyon. Matindi din kung bubigay ito si Laroa
Oh yes, oo.
Off, slip.
And that's the 3rd slip of Manny Pacquiao.
Palakpakan yung mga teenager sa corner ni Laroa. Akala nila na tinamaan si Pacquiao.
It's a very wet portion there in the corner of Lito Laroa.
That's right.
And Manny Pacquiao is keeping that right jab stuck on the face of Lito Laroa.
That's right. Throwing combinations. Although they hardly hurt. Oh, there goes Laroa coming back.
Laroa might have hurt Manny Pacquiao.
He scored with 2 shots there.
Well, Lito Laroa certainly a big test here for Manny
Sipak
Pacquiao.
ng bata. Talagang ang sipat. Super
Oh,
sipat.
and hand speed
yes.
coming from Manny Pacquiao. A series of blows. A nice flurry by Manny Pacquiao.
Parang punching bag. Ginagawang punching bag ni Pacquiao ngayon si Laroa with his combinations. Look at that. He's having his way. Paminsan-minsan si Laroa tries to come back, pero masyado na siyang naiiwanan na sa puntos.
Pero maraming tira din si Manny Pacquiao. Not hitting the target, Romy.
True, that's true. But maybe he's landing 2 out of 5 or 6. So nauuna siya. Somehow Laroa has got to like you said,